Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your time zone on Messenger, so let's get right into it. Now, what we're going to be doing is not through the Messenger app itself, while it does directly impact the app itself through showing you a different time. The way that you're going to be changing your time zone is by going into your system settings, which is what we're going to be doing. So if I exit Messenger and go into my settings, like so, you will need to scroll down and find your date and time options. Now, usually they'll be in system and updates or somewhere along the lines of system, or you can just go here and type date. And you'll see date, time, and time zone, and date and time. You can go anywhere you want, and let's see if you can go here. You can set it to set automatically, which will automatically detect and set the time based on your time zone. As you can see, I am in GMT plus 2, which is my current time zone, and if you want to change it, you just need to tap on it, or it looks like I can't, rather. But yeah, you can disable set automatically, and then you can choose the date and time yourself, and you can also choose which time zone you're in then. And once you change this, for example, now it's well, let me just change it to a GMT, for example, plus 0. Let's say I am in Accra. This is plus 0 Greenwich Mean Time. So if I change that and I go back into Messenger and just send myself a text, for example, ASD, as you can see now it is currently 14:18 in the app and on my system. In reality, it is 2 hours later, as you could probably have guessed. And yeah, that is pretty much how you change your date and time. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.